Duol mar Judicial Service Commission medo seyo jok mosebedo ka seyo bad migao mar doho ma pacho ka ni opong' gi mibadhi mondo mi ochwal ng'ur ma gintiere godo ne duolno mondo mi gikawe okang' mar chik. Jang'ad bura e pacho ka ma bende en jakanyo mar duol mar JSC Evelyn Owande owacho ni gisebedo mana ka giwinjo ng'ur mag josiasa to onge jasiasa moro amora mosekawo okang' mar donjo ne jang'ad bura gi ketho e pacho ka. Olwande ne loso e kaunti ma Migori kama no omedo wacho ni bura moro amora mosedonjne godo jong'ad buche e pacho ka oseyal kendo ng'adi e yo makare. Parono noriw lwedo gi gavana ma Migori Ochilo Ayako.
All its mandate, including the one on addressing matters of discipline of judicial officers and judges, and we've been carrying out that mandate efficiently. The challenge we are having is when now general statements are made and not specific complaints filed, then it's very difficult for the Commission to move. When you appear and say generally the judiciary is corrupt, the judges are corrupt, there is very little that we can do. We have structures that have been put in place by our constitution and our laws, which we ought to follow to ensure that if there are any corrupt judges, then they are brought to book.
I think it's not good for I, as a litigant or a potential litigant, to make a broad statement accusing the judiciary. It will appear on the face of it that I'm attempting to intimidate the judiciary. So my 5 cents advice is that as a litigant or a potential litigant, do not make remarks that would be taken out of context.
We've gone round the courts. We are on court visits, and we've got a number of courts that were started more than 10 years ago, and they are yet to see the light of day. We will be urging Parliament and the national government to consider giving the judiciary a fair allocation of resources to ensure that we are able to perform that particular function.